Samhita Adhyana 1 Ashtanga Hridaya Part 4 Chapter 11 Doshadi Vijnani Adhyaya. In my previous video I have explained about the function and Ruddhi-Kshaya Lakshana of the Vata dosha. In this video I am going to explain of the function and Ruddhi and Kshaya of the Pitta dosha. So the function of the Pitta dosha shloka goes like this. श्लोक पित्तं पक्यूष्म दर्शनं क्षुत्रुट् रुचि प्रभा मेधाधिशौर्य तनुमार्दवम् मेधाधिशौर्य तनुमार्दवम्. Next, Pakyushmam. Pakti means paka, digestion. The function of the pitta helps in the digestion. Next, Ushma, body temperature. Here second, what is there? Ushma. So that is body temperature, helps in the maintenance of the body temperature. Next, Darshana means vision power. Darshana, vision power. Kshut, trut, ruchi. Kshut means hunger. Trut, thirst. Ruchi, taste or appetite, means one who feels hunger or having feeling that to have more and more food is mainly due to the function of the pitta dosha. Pitta is main function is Agni, that increases the Agni in our body. Next, Prabha. Medha means intelligence. Shaurya means courageous. Tanatva means not obese, means they have a medium body size. Next, Mardava means softness and delicate. So this is the function of the Pitta dosha. Next, we'll study of the Ruddhi of the Pitta dosha. Pit, Vin, Mutra, Netra, Tvak, Kshut, Trut, Daha, Alpa, Nidrataha. So what are the Ruddhi Lakshana that can be observed if Pitta dosha is increased in our body? Pit Vin means yellow color stool. Stools that we pass, no, that will look like yellow color. Next, Mutra, Netra, Tvak. Mutra, urine, Netra, skin. Those will turn to yellow color in our body if Ruddhi of Pitta dosha occurs. Next, Kshutrut Daha. In function, we have seen that its function is Kshutrut Ruchi. So, the hunger thirst is mainly due to the Pitta. If Ruddhi of Pitta occurs, then of course like hunger will increase, thirst will increase. Next, Daha. Burning sensation will increase. Next is Alpa Nidrata, that is lack of sleep, less of sleep. In Vata dosha, we'll feel like no sleep, but in Pitta dosha, we feel like less sleep. Next, Shaya of the Pitta dosha. Pitto, Mando, Anala, Sheetam, Prabhahani. Pitto, Manda, Anala. Anala means digestive Agni. Anila is the wait, I'll write and show. Anila is the synonyms of the Vata dosha, but Anala is the digestive. Anala is the digestive power. Shitam Prabhahani. So Mando Anala means, Mando means slow, Anala means digestive Agni. Anila is synonyms of the Vata. Shita means cold, Prabhahani means loss of luster. So Kshaya of the Pitta dosha, first will the digestive Agni will be decreased, then the person feel like cold. So Agni is decreased, Ushna Guna is decreased, so Shita Guna will be increased. Prabhahani means loss of lusters in the body. So this is the three shlokas that explains about the function, Ruddhi and Kshaya Lakshana of the Pitta dosha. And in my next video, I'll continue about the function, Ruddhi and Kshaya Lakshana of the Kapha dosha.